One of the best things about having a Tesla is this center console area. I mean, there's no gear tunnel, so we have a bunch of storage underneath here. Literally all of this is storage. The only problem with that though is that it is pretty deep. And if you're like me, you put little things in here. So chapstick, earbuds, all that stuff. And it all just gets buried underneath here. Wouldn't it be cool if there were layers to this? Well, now there is. And it's with RollMod. It's a center console organizer. It's super cool. Let's open it. You get this cool little welcome letter. And then the main attraction. Look at this. It's kind of felty. So it's super soft. You can put your sunglasses in here and not just throw them down there. That's not how sunglasses are supposed to be. You might be wondering, well, if this sits in here, how do I get access to all the space on the bottom? Well, that is easy. It slides forwards and backwards. Remember, this storage cubby goes all the way back here, so this can slide around inside of there, giving you tons of access. You don't really compromise on how much storage you get, you just get more organization. Even with these aftermarket chargers from TLOL, check that out in the description below, we can still fit this in just like that. It's gonna sit in there and it slides back just like that. So you can slide it forwards and backwards. It's basically made to go in here. It sits on the little shelf and you can load stuff in it. So load stuff in it. This is super cool. You got 2 stories in your Tesla. It's like you got a bunk bed in your center console. If you want your own, check out the links in the description. I'll have any discount code to help you out and pick it up. It's so cool. Let me know what you think. Is this better for your organization? How would you use this? Leave a comment below.